What's going on, guys? It's Markie Williams, and welcome to my channel, Online Certification Courses. This is a channel where you can learn a new skill set or brush up on an old one. Continuous education and improvement should always be a priority if you want to stay current in your field of work and plus get paid your worth. Enjoy the tutorial. All the links will be down in the description below. Please make sure you like if the tutorial was informative. Please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out any training courses you may want to pick up. Comment below as to what you would like to get certified in, and I can send you a link personally to check out. So let's get started. In this tutorial, I will go over this course that a lot of content creators go to when they need an all-in-one video editing and screen recording software program. So let me pick apart this course to let you know what some of the things you will learn in this 4.5 hour, 63 lectures. 43 of them are for beginners and the other 20 are for the advanced lecture course. The course will start off with a purchase, upgrade, and installation of the Camtasia. The walkthrough will get you up to speed with the most current software and will walk you through the installation process step by step. There is also a preview guide you could check out, like the one here I'm going to be showing you how the setup will go. The course will go over the basic screen recording controls and capture menu, along with 3 other lectures on the operating recording toolbar. When it comes to editing, there will be at least 10 lectures covering that topic, from editing screen animation, timeline, editing the screen, as well as editing screen media, bin, and saving your projects. There will be lectures on how to edit your voice narration and how to EQ the audio. You will learn basic PowerPoints when it comes to the recording as well. There will also be advanced lectures in which I have mentioned, in which they will go over setting up your home network for production, using project files, and how to record in one take and then go back and start editing. Camtasia also have a drawing tool in which there will be a lecture that will go over that. And for those who have WordPress, the course will show you how to embed your screencast video to it. Believe me, there's a lot more to what I've just went over, so keep in mind when you click on the link down below in the description, you can take your time and go over all the lectures to make sure they hit the right topics you're trying to learn. And if you scroll all the way to the bottom, you also see other related content as well you might be interested in. Many thanks for taking some time to check my tutorial out. All the links will be in the description below. Please subscribe so you don't miss out on any training certification courses you may want to pick up. Comment below "done" and I'll reply back. You can check me out on Facebook under Markie Williams, and there I also have an online certification page where you can like and follow as well. Please make sure you check out these certification courses as well that's floating around right here. And always remember to get paid your worth. Many thanks. It's Markie Williams, and I'm out.